Increase your wealth, easy tips for investing in the stock market. Getting into the stock market can be a confusing thing to even think about. If you want to learn how you can invest your money, then look no further because you've come to the right place. This video has plenty of information that you can use to learn what it takes to invest in the stock market. Keep in mind that the value of a stock involves much more than simply its price. When deciding whether or not to invest in a particular stock, there are several other factors to consider that are more important. The price of a stock should be only one small part of the decision. Pay attention to cycles, and wait for the bull market to emerge. You must be ready to pounce when things are on the upswing. If you do your homework, you will learn to recognize when a bear market is about to do an about-face and head in the other direction. If you want the maximum possible gains over a long time horizon, include in your portfolio the strongest players of multiple sectors. While the market grows, as a whole, certain sectors don't grow as quickly. If you spread your investments out over a variety of different areas, you are sure to increase your investment as specific industries are hot and increase your overall plan. Rebalancing your portfolio regularly will cut down on your risks from losing stocks and sectors while aligning yourself to capitalize on future growth. With the information that you have learned from this video, you should be well informed with how you can become successful with investing in the stock market. Go ahead and re-watch this video if you have to. You want to make sure that you retained all of the information present, in order to be successful. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega winning trader, Barthélemy MC.